Just having a quick look at some Forex charts of interest here at the moment. It's the dollar is in a bit of a undecided state at the moment. It's just on the daily here. It's just gone into a bit of a consolidation at the moment, and the 4 hours a bit sideways, a bit undecided. Pound US, as I showed on my algo trading video, this has gone into a sideways distribution on the daily now. So that is when I used to avoid these types of setups on Forex trading, but since I've discovered my new trading system, I've been really doing well with this type of trading conditions, so I can trade anything now. US dollar Jappy has been good. That US dollar Jappy pulled back to this flat bed on the Kumo here, and then it bounced off there. It's had a nice move on here on the 4 hour to the upside here, so it's been a nice one. Euro pound is on this key support here, very strong support there, so it's going to be interesting to see what that does. The MACD is converging up there, so it's going to be interesting to see if that support holds there or not. It's just slightly below on the 4 hour here, and then it recovered that support again, so it's going to be, let's see what it ends up doing. But Euro NZ turned off that double top there and turned back down here, so it's been nice. It's some nice momentum to the downside there. The daily MACD is still showing momentum to the downside there. Euro CAD's been a good one. This is a classic example of a false breakout and a distribution here, so let's come back exactly to the Keynesian here at the moment. So this is tradable only on the intraday template. You get some really good moves. It's been really good. Euro CAD, Aus dollar NZ, that's really plunged quite a bit more than what I was expecting here. So I'm looking for a mean reversion here at this point. It's been elusive so far. I didn't expect this much downside in Aus dollar NZ, so just have to be patient and just wait for it to work through. There's no telling. And NZ Swissy, looks like another false breakout here on NZ Swissy. It's trying to turn over on the 4 hour, but hasn't yet. But it's most likely going to be a false breakout, a distribution. Euro US is on this key support here on the daily, so that's a distribution again here with the flat Keynesian again, so you expect to see it could have a small false break below that support, but I'm ultimately looking for a reversion back to the upside. US dollar CAD is the same thing. It's in a sideways distribution at the moment, so it looks like it's trying to turn over back down towards the Keynesian again, and it's in a reversal on the 4 hour at the moment, but it's not really doing much at the moment. It's just on my watch list at the moment, that one. Euro Aus dollar, that's another distribution on Euro Aus dollar. It's the 4 hours turned to put in a reversal here at the moment. I'm just waiting for this to come through still at the moment. Swiss Jappy is a bit difficult to trade. I'm just watching this at the moment. I don't have any trades on this at the moment, but it's a little bit too choppy at the moment it can trade it on the intraday, but NZ CAD is most likely a false breakout here as well. Just waiting for this to roll over here back towards the downside again, back towards the key Jensen here. NZUS is on this heavy resistance here at the moment, so just waiting to see what that one does there. And it's a typical of a distribution there. Australian dollar CAD is another distribution, and that daily there it's turned off that rejected off that resistance there and turned back down. So you've got a nice move down to the back to the downside. Euro Jappy is this is kind of a distribution here at the moment, but it's just a bit of a ranging condition at the moment with the target up to the resistance there, but I'm not sure what that's doing at the moment. Pound Oz is been quite strong in momentum. There's been some good moves to the upside, so that's been an interesting one. Very nice moves here. So obviously you're still only trading this on the intraday. I only trade Forex on the intraday now. This is Euro Swiss. This is a nice big move off this V-shaped reversal here. Nice big move there on the Euro Swissy. US dollar Swissy. A small small breakout there on the breakout of that distribution there. Small false breakout there. And it's turned back down towards the key Jensen again. It's tried to anyway. But it's a good one. And Australian dollar US. That was a classic false breakout there, and then it turned back down towards the key Jensen again. It's now trying to put in a bit of a base here to revert back up towards the key Jensen again. So I'm just watching what that does at the moment. Depends on what the US dollar does. NZ Jappy, that's a range. That's not a distribute. That's just a range in a trending range, and now it's gone back to trending again here at the moment. And that's a range breakout there. So it's, in Forex, I still continue to trade that on my intraday template, even though it's a trending setup. And that's about it. Just needed a quick one just to go through some of the main pairs that I'm following and trading at the moment. Anyway, that'll do for now. Right, thanks for watching. Bye.